Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with Topmann. Topmann with a song called Sorry. It's actually a music video. Official music video. Sorry. So, Topmann a bad artist. Very, very talented artist. So, let's jump in one here and hear what the G say. Let's go.
That's right.
So we see what is I gonna say? So some people outside a protest, some get a protest, they say dog shit, they say I think that's a dirty dog and some what? If I cry that just tell me no know.
That's right.
Cross. How them cross it? Are you them cross it?
Yeah, da.
Oh, them protest against you, brother. They don't have to read it.
Yeah. Sorry, me no belong to nobody. You want to time me down or what a weight you want to carry.
Man say sorry. Me no belong to nobody. You want to tie me down what a weight you want to carry. So basically, he must say, yo, listen, me no belong to nobody. I'm free, I'm single, I'm always ready to mingle. So, me no want nobody come try to tie me down. You understand? Him just a cut and go through, cause I love you in my heart, as the deal man say. Let's go.
Man. Yeah. Sorry, me no belong to nobody. Yeah. You want to tie me down or what a weight you want to carry. Yeah. Me woulda try to love you, but it heavy damn me trolley. So as me fuck my cut me dust, I add it to my tally.
See, I'm just telling you a while ago. Yeah. You want to tie me down with that, you want to carry. Flow nice. And then him say something about Charlie. What him say about Charlie?
Yeah. Sorry, me no belong to nobody. You want to tie me down or what a weight you want to carry. Me woulda try to love you, but it heavy damn me trolley.
Me woulda try to love you, but it's heavier than the Charlie. So me can't manage to love the right now. Me can't manage to wait the right now. So I bet you just go on. You see me?
You want to tie me down or what a weight you want to carry. Me woulda try to love you, but it heavy than me trolley. So as me fuck my cut me dust, I add it to my tally.
Fuck, cut. Just add it to my tally. It does the next one on the list. So don't try to get all up in your feelings and then when you see me out with other girls, you have a problem with that. Don't do that. That now go in your favor, so don't do that. You understand? You know what it was before we even started, so don't do that.
Me woulda try to love you, but it heavy damn me trolley. So as me fuck my cut me dust, I add it to my tally. She send me now the verto, go look for Naddy.
She send me now no verto, go and go look for Naddy verto. Bad singer.
So as me fuck my cut me dust, I add it to my tally. She send me now the verto, go look for Naddy. A couple youth a road, me know them serve me, yeah them daddy.
As a couple youth a road, them swear, him say them swear say him and him daddy, him and them daddy, them you know, not him, them. So him not one them.
She send me now the verto, go look for Naddy. A couple youth a road, me know them serve me, yeah them daddy. And see me with them mommy, and I try to understand him. Man a girl is said, boy, me never plan it.
Them see you, the youth them see you with them mother, and I swear say yeah them father because they don't know no father. Them don't know no father. You're the only father them see. Around mommy. So them seriously you're the daddy. That's why. Dog, girl is go look for Naddy. A couple youth a road, me know them serve me, yeah them daddy. And see me with them mommy, and I try to understand him. Man a girl is said, boy, me never plan it. Dog, girl is that me be. Want to tie me down, me see you want to change the prophecy. Look, dressing properly, look. You want to tie me down, you want to change the prophecy. That not gonna happen, G. That not gonna happen, mama. That not gonna happen. You see me? I am who I am, and you can't change that. That may be. Want to tie me down, me see you want to change the prophecy. Look, dressing properly, look, very dapperly, look, very properly, look. Let me tell you about no boo, carry round a chuku, wango dugu. Bombo, and a boo, carry round a chuku, wango dugu. Yo, what you say? Want to tie me down, me see you want to change the prophecy. Look, dressing properly, look, very dapperly, look, very properly, look. Let me tell you about no boo, carry round a chuku, wango dugu. Easy, she run the pool, no, sorry. Catch flow, pussy. Catch flow. Eh? And a bogo carry on a chuku, go dugu. Hear the man?
Change the prophecy look, dressing properly look, very dapperly look, very properly look. Let me tell you about no boo boo carry run a chuku wango dugu. Easy she run the puno no sorry funo no. He bad mind look kuno mono.
This remind me a bit like gypsy. When I say gypsy, I mean the gypsy talk where they get them used to do at school. Silepe, mulapu, pull up, whatever they used to say. Can't remember it, but it give me that feeling there. Give me that vibe there. This bad.
Look, very properly look. Let me tell you about no boo carry run a chuku wango dugu. Easy she run the puno no sorry funo no. He bad mind look kuno mono. She give me yes.
They can't get past the party.
Run the puno no sorry funo no. He bad mind look kuno mono. She give me yes. Lele ulu sorry.
She give me yes. Lele ulu. So basically, I must say yo the brain when she give him wet brain, sloppy brain.
Dressing properly look, very dapperly look, very properly look. Let me tell you about no boo carry run a chuku wango dugu. Easy she run the puno no sorry funo no. He bad mind look kuno mono. She give me yes, lele ulu. Sorry, me no belong to nobody. You want to time me down or what I wait to want to carry. Me woulda try to love you but it heavy damn me Charlie. So as me fuck me cut me dust, I add it to my tally. She send me down the verto, go look for naughty. A couple you at the road, me know them serve me, yeah them daddy. And see me with them mommy and I try to understand him. Man a girl is said we me never plan it. Dog, see girl, look that, fuck it and I look back. She says she love me.
See girl, look that, fuck it and I look back. She says she love me. Boom.
Couple you at the road, me know them serve me, yeah them daddy. And see me with them mommy and I try to understand him. Man a girl is said we me never plan it. Dog, see girl, look that, fuck it and I look back. She says she love me old because it's tougher than my foot back.
She says she love me because it's tougher than my foot back. Feel the foot back and see that tough. Yeah, tougher than that. Yeah, that's why she love it.
And see me with them mommy and I try to understand him. Man a girl is said we me never plan it.
Yeah.
See girl, look that, fuck it and I look back. She says she love me old because it's tougher than my foot back. Appointment she book that, steam fish she cook that. Say she want me rub down her body like a push back. Boogie.
Say she want me rub down her body like a push back. You know when you know when you play with your meow. Not actually the girl and meow. Me attack the animal meow. Yeah, you know, yeah. Rub it down like a push back.
And see me with them mommy and I try to understand him. Man a girl is said we me never plan it. Dog, see girl, look that, fuck it and I look back. She says she love me old because it's tougher than my foot back. Appointment she book that, steam fish she cook that. Say she want me rub down her body like a push back. Boogie carry run a chuku wango dugu. Easy she run the puno no sorry for no.
Sorry if you no. Yo, this bad dog, that flow you different Topmann. Keep beating them, bro.
It run a chuku wango dugu. Easy she run the puno no sorry for no. He bad mind look kuno mono. She give me yes, la oh lo. Sorry, me no belong to no. You want to time me down or what I wait to want to. Me woulda try to love you but it heavy damn it. So as me fuck me cut me dust, I add it to me. She send me down the verto, go look for naughty. A couple you at the road, me know them serve me, yeah them daddy. And see me with them mommy and I try to understand him. Man a girl is me never plan it. Dog, girl is that me be.
Bad.
Girl is that me be. Girl is that me be. Want to time me down, me see you want to change the prophecy look. Dressing properly low, very dapperly low. Let me tell you about no boogie carry run a chuku wango dugu. Easy she run the puno no sorry for no.
Bad dog. Yo, this bad dog. Pull a slide with the foot back hang off. Call me. Brother, don't do that. Don't kill yourself. Don't kill yourself. Hold on, man. Who want play that again, man? Who want play that again, man? But the advert was kicking this a while ago. Who want play that again, man? That's too bad.
Make
it run. Me not stop it. Oh, that's something up on the screen. Gotta see that. Make it run. Me not stop it, man. This bad. This is about repeat.
That's right.
Bad. Apple us record.
Rude. Man. Top. Man.
Rude.
Top. Man. Top. sorry, me no belong to nobody. You want to tie me down or what a weight you want to carry. Me woulda try to love you but it heavy down my trolley. So as me fuck my cut me dust, I add it to my tally. She send me down the verto, go look for naughty. A couple youth a road, me know them serve me, yeah them daddy. They see me with them mommy and I try to understand it. Man, a girl is said, boy, me never plan it. Top, girl is that me be. Want to tie me down, me see you want to change the prophecy. Look, dressing properly, look, very dapperly, look, very properly, look. Let me tell you about no boo, carry run a chuku, wango do. Easy, she run the puno, no, sorry, funo, no. He bad mind, look, kuno, mono. She give me yes, lele, sorry, me no belong to nobody. You want to tie me down, or what a weight you want to carry. I woulda try to love you, but it heavy down my trolley. So as me fuck my cut me dust, I add it to my tally. She send me down the verto, go look for naughty. A couple youth a road, me know them serve me, yeah them daddy. They see me with them mommy and I try to understand it. Man, a girl is said, boy, me never plan it. Dad, see girl, look that, fuck it and I look back. She says she love me old because it tougher than my foot back. Appointment, she book that, steam fish, she cook that. Say she want me rub down her body like a push back. Bugu, carry run a chuku, wango dogo. Easy, she run the puno, no, sorry, funo, no. He bad mind, look kudu mono. She give me yes, la, oh, no. Sorry, me no belong to no. You want to tie me down or what a weight you want to. I woulda try to love you but it heavy damn it. So as me fuck my cut me dust, I add it to me. She send me down the verto, go look for naughty. A couple youth a road, me know them serve me, yeah them daddy. They see me with them mommy and I try to understand it. Man, a girl is, me never plan it. Top, girl is, that me be.
Rude.
Top, girl is, that me be. Girl is that me be. Want to tie me down, me see you want to change the prophecy. Look, dressing properly, look, very dapperly, look. Let me tell you what no boo, carry run a chuku, wango do. Easy, she run the puno, no, sorry for no.
Yo, this bad. Me like this. Don't kill yourself, G. Plenty more fish in the sea. What you do? No killing yourself. No killing yourself. When I promote that part there. Yo, this bad Topmann. Big up yourself, bro. This bad. Me enjoy that one, your dog. Easy, she run it. No, time. Look that. Look. Yo, floor for days. Floor for days, bro. Topmann, bro. This is a hit, bro. This is a hit. And, brother, you drop some bad song more time, brother, and it doesn't get the justice that it should get, dog. You drop some sick song and it don't get the justice that it should get. Another hit song, brother, from your dog. You see me? You say them different, brother. This is a banger. This is a hit song, brother. This should be a hit song. You see me? Bro, bad. Big up yourself, bro. Continue putting the work and kick in the gate. Them every gate we get kick in because you're outside and knock it. You see me? This time I'm going to leave that one still. If you enjoyed that one, I want some more. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah! Yo, this bad, dog. This bad.